Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. This morning we are now going to run binary option robot Alpha 1 iBot. You can use that robot also, just use the link you see up there right now, or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also below the video find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit, so make your first deposit count. Also, we have a competition going on where you can win $50. This competition will go till next Friday. The only thing you need to do to be a part of this competition is to like this video, see the video from start to finish, subscribe to my channel, and of course put your Bitcoin address or USDT address in the comment field below. Also write something small extra added to that. Also, make sure you check out my free Forex Telegram channel. You find a link below the video for that also. But now, let's start up Alpha 1 iBot. And there we have it, $966 in matter of 7 minutes. You can use this robot also, just push this robot thing you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.